Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Hello, hello, hello.
Puffhead.
Hi, Big Puffhead.
Uh, little Puffhead. Little Puffhead. Did you know that today is Giving Tuesday?
I did not know that.
Do you know what that means?
I have no idea.
Well, Giving Tuesday is a day when people concentrate their efforts on giving to worthy causes. It's in the spirit of the holidays and helping other people, and we want to be a part of that.
Oh, well, how could somebody like me help?
Well, here at Craft Habit, which is where we are, if you'll just look around, you'll see Craft Habit is where we are hosting an art supplies drive, meaning we want people to bring us art supplies. We're collecting them for a group called Art Intimacy, which is a local nonprofit that brings quality art experiences to local schools and communities. Right now we've got two big old cardboard boxes in the back. We're collecting things like markers, crayons, paints, costumes, fabric, glue guns, wreaths, glow sticks, utility strings, all sorts of different stuff. We have a list on our website. You can bring in new materials or good quality used materials.
I love craft supplies.
I love craft supplies.
Art supplies. I love them.
We are collecting arts and craft supplies to share with Art Intimacy, who shares with groups in our community, local schools, does amazing things. So you should stop by here, bring us your art supplies.
I can just bring them right here?
You can just bring them right here. We've got boxes in the store. We'll take them off your hands. You can feel good. You can have less stuff in your house. It's kind of a win-win-win all around.
What if I use all my art supplies? Could I bring new art supplies?
You could. You could bring new supplies.
Could I buy things like paper?
Yep, paper.
Big
and
boxes of markers?
Paints, boxes of markers. Even things like cotton balls and string and Christmas lights are all good. So there's lots of different things. Yeah, I love string. You can even buy some supplies here at Craft Habit to donate if you wanted to.
Oh, I love that idea too.
We're happy to take whatever supplies you can bring us to share with these local groups.
That's exciting. This is great. This is great.
We're pretty excited about it. And even though today is Giving Tuesday, this drive goes until Christmas. So you've actually got a few more weeks, but we'd love to fill up this box of art supplies so that we can give it away.
I love this idea. I love art supplies.
Thank you.
Also, I love your hair. What have you done differently with it?
I blow dried it today.
Really? It looks really good.
Thank you.
That's very
Thank
puffy.
you. I woke up early. Yeah.
Feels good. Okay. So what else is happening here today?
Oh, at Craft Habit? There's lots of stuff happening. We have got a whole lot of make and take crafts. This weekend we had a craft bonanza. We had 18 different make and take crafts.
What?
Yeah, we did. It was crazy. It was a lot of fun.
Crazy with crafts.
But for the next few weeks, we'll have some of those rotating through. I think we've got 7 or 8 right now that you can do. There's jewelry crafts, there's paper crafts, there's yarn crafts.
I can see some of them here in the store.
There are some cool ones in the store that are very exciting. So you can come here and sit down and make your crafts here. We also have a ton of craft kits. If you're buying gifts for your family or your friends or even for yourself, we've got glass etching kits and embroidery kits and jewelry kits. We got a lot of stuff. You can even come in here, buy that kit, make it while you're sitting here and hang out with us while we listen to good tunes and talk about crafts like we do.
I love that. I just love that. Well, I'm going to go off and get some colored paper and lots of high quality markers and bring them to the craft supply donation.
Excellent.
Yes.
High five.
Yay, woo! We don't have hands.
That'll work.
We need to make some.
Ooh, I know.
We're at a craft store.
High forehead.
High forehead. Okay. And see.
Oh. Surprise! It's me!
It's your turn, Sarah.
It was me the whole time. And Cynthia. So that's what kind of day today is. It's Puppet Tuesday. It's Giving Tuesday. It's Tuesday Tips Day. And now that we have delighted you with our puppetry stylings, I'm going to give you a little tip about sewing. I'm going to show you one of my favorite gadgets. And I'm not really a big believer in specialty gadgets. When I see like ads for specialty sewing gadgets, I'm always skeptical. But this one, I read about on a blog somewhere. This is an amazing thing. This is called the Hot Hemmer, which is a really sexy name for whatever this thing is. But this is a tool that helps you when you are pressing fabric. This helps you press a straight line and also helps you press without getting your fingers too close to the tip of the iron, which is always a bonus. I have to stand up to do this, so here we go. So here's the hot hammer. It's this little gridded squarish thing. It's flexible. I don't know what it's made of. It's not plastic, so it doesn't melt. It's not cardboard because it doesn't get soggy. But it is some sort of miracle space age technology. And when you're going to hem something, if you need to press up the hem, you put it here. Let's see, what can I do? I'm gonna angle this. So you put it here, you fold your fabric over, and you want the edge of your fabric to meet one of these lines. So I'm gonna work on the 1-inch line here so it's more visible to you. So I line my presser up, squiggle it around until my fabric is right on that 1-inch line. And then you can press right over this tool. That's what's really nice about it, is my fingers are way over here and even away from all this delicious steam. So you press that, you can take it out, scooch it down. One thing I think would be great is if they made a hot hammer that was super long, so I could fit the whole piece. Maybe I'll write the company to get one of those. But this tool is great. It's got markings. You can even do rounded corners. It's got inches, just inches, not centimeters, but excellent tool, the hot hammer. Very helpful when you're hemming things, if you're quilting, if you make hexies. I think this would be really useful for helping to press down the little persnickety corners of your hexies. I love this. We carry it in store, of course, because it's so good. And that's the tip for the day. A hot hammer will help you not hot hem your fingers. So I hope you're all having a good Giving Tuesday. And to reiterate from the puppet show, we have an art supplies drive going on here in store through Christmas. Bring us your art supplies. We will send them off to good use for other people. Oh, and I'll show you some of the craft kits we have going on. We've been making a lot of kits getting ready for holiday season. We have this super cute snowball kit. It's a pom-pom maker kit that comes with sparkly white yarn and a pom-pom maker and an instruction set of how to make all your pom-poms. This is a really great gift. The nice thing is when you make these snowballs, you can throw them in the house. They're not going to break much. I mean, don't hit crystal, but they're pretty soft. They won't hurt anybody. Your cat will love them. Kids might love them too. DIY snowball kit. We also have a ceramic bead necklace kit. We love these ceramic beads. They're big and chunky. They've got a little crackle finish to them. These kits come in really, really cute little tins with beads and instructions on how to make it. There's a couple different ways. You can string it straight. You can make it more of a lariat style. In here, there's actually a link to videos of different ways to do it. So that's our ceramic bead necklace kit. I'm just going to wear this one for today with my other ceramic necklace. We've got little tiny embroidered ornament kits, tons of these. I actually have some new designs coming at the end of this week. And then we have a large, here's a couple of our holiday themed ones. We also have plants and animals, and I've got some unicorns I'm working on and some bananas I'm excited about. We also have large embroidery kits. This is a 7-inch hip kit, and this is a new one. I've just finished the sample, and I'm super excited about it. It's this cozy sweater, and this one lets you try lots of different embroidery techniques, but it's still pretty simple, and it just makes me want to wear it. What else have we got? Oh, we've got glass etching kits. We have kits where you can make 2 rocks glasses. This one comes with North Carolina theme. You can put a little acorn in the middle, or a heart, or a star. We've got some cactus and some unicorns. We're working on some other designs for those too. So with this kit, you get everything you need to make a set of glasses, as well as instructions and how-to and some advice. We've got a mini pom-pom kit. So if you want to make your own pom-pom puppets and amaze your friends and family with your pom-pom puppeteering skills, you can get this little kit. It comes with different colors of yarn. It comes with its own pom-pom maker. Again, instructions. So you can pom-pom all over the place. And ooh, this is new in for my crocheters. We got these really cute kits to crochet a unicorn and a giraffe. Everything you need is in here. There's yarn, there's instructions, there's a hook in there. So this is a great gift either to buy and make for someone, or to give to your crafty people who already know how to make it. My goal is to one day be able to crochet one of these. They're so cute. If you're buying me a gift, you could buy it and just make it for me, and then I don't have to. Which is not something a craft owner should say, so just redact that last bit altogether. All right, I think I've talked to you long enough. I hope you are having a great Tuesday and a great week. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, and just wanted to say bye. Bye, guys.